Hi everyone, my name is Suman from Nationwide Migration and Education. We are a team of highly experienced migration professionals based in Australia, helping clients across the globe with their visa and migration needs. In today's video, we are diving into the latest legislative updates in Australian migration that could significantly impact various visa applicants. We'll be discussing updates relating to the subclass 600 visa exemptions, parent and family visa caps, major DAMA developments, and the current backlog under the Business Innovation and Investment Program. So make sure to watch this video until the end, especially if you're planning to lodge any parent, contributory parent, or DAMA-related visa applications. Now let's start with the Migration Amendment Substituted Subclass 600 Visa Exemptions Regulations 2025. This regulation amends Schedule 1 of the Migration Regulations to clarify that an applicant for an aged parent subclass 804, contributory aged parent residence subclass 864, or contributory aged parent temporary subclass 884 visa must be either an aged parent as defined in Regulation 1.03 or a holder of a substituted subclass 600 visa at the time of application. Now this change aligns with the Migration Amendment Family Violence Provisions and Other Measures Regulations 2024, which introduced on 17th December 2024 required primary applicants for these visas to meet the aged parent definition under Schedule 1. The new instrument formalizes the policy intent to exempt applicants who hold a substituted subclass 600 visa at the time of application from the requirement to meet the aged parent criterion when applying for the 804, 864 or 884 visas. This ensures consistency with the existing exemptions under Schedule 2 of the Migration Regulations. Although the instrument is dated 6th March 2025, it has retrospective effect and commenced on 17th December 2024. These amendments apply to all relevant visa applications lodged on or after 17th December 2024. Now let's talk about visa caps for the 2024-25 financial year. The migration, granting of contributory parent visas and other family visas during financial year 2024-25 Instrument 2025 determines the maximum number of visas that can be granted between 1st July 2024 and 30th June 2025. Contributory parent visas, subclass 143, 864, 173 and 884 can have 6,800 maximum number of visas this financial year. Parent visas, subclass 103 and 804 will have a maximum number of 1,700 visas granted this financial year, and other family visas which are subclass 114, 115, 116, 835, 836 and 838, the maximum number allocated is 500 visas. Now this instrument commenced on 15th March 2025 and self-repeals on 1st July 2025 as it is only relevant to this financial year. Let's now move on to the DAMA updates. Far North Queensland FNQ DAMA has seen a significant update. The Minister for the Department of Home Affairs has signed a deed of variation which includes a 2-year extension to the head agreement now valid until 3rd April 2027. Addition of 51 new occupations, application of English language concessions to some new and existing occupations, application of 10% dismissed concessions to many occupations, an increase in the number of available positions per year to meet growing demand. The Department of Home Affairs is currently drafting the new varied FNQ DAMA head agreement. Once signed, the variations will take effect and updates will be made available on the Cairns Chamber of Commerce website. Meanwhile, the Orana DAMA has also been extended by 12 months. Further details can be found on the RDA Orana website. Now, an important update regarding the Business Innovation and Investment Program, which is the BIIP. The BIIP permanently closed to new applications on 31st July 2024. However, subclass 188 applications lodged before this date will continue to be processed in line with government priorities and migration program planning levels. For the 2024-25 program year, the BIIP allocation has been reduced to 1,000 visas. To provide more transparency, the Migration Institute of Australia submitted a Freedom of Information request and as of 31st December 2024, there are 12,778 Subclass 188 visa applications still in the queue. This indicates a significant backlog. Given the reduced allocation, processing times are likely to increase substantially. Applicants who wish to withdraw their Subclass 188 visa application may be eligible for refunds of the visa application charge, but only for the applications lodged under the Business Innovation, Investor, Significant Investor, or Entrepreneur streams. Refunds are not available for the Business Innovation Extension or Significant Investor Extension streams. Finally, an important announcement about the Northern Territory DAMA. A new NT DAMA 3 was executed on 19th March 2025 between the Northern Territory and the Australian governments. The new agreement features an expanded occupation list, more nomination places, and streamlined application processes for Northern Territory employers. The online application portal for new endorsement applications under Northern Territory DAMA 3 is expected to open by 31st March 2025. In the meantime, the program remains suspended for new endorsement applications while the transition to the new agreement is underway. We understand that migration can be complex, especially with frequent legislative changes. That's why at Nationwide Migration and Education, we have a team of highly experienced migration professionals who are always up to date with the latest regulations. Whether you are a student, a skilled worker, or a family member trying to reunite with loved ones in Australia, we are here to help you every step of the way. Before you go, I'd like to personally invite you to our free webinar happening this Thursday at 11 a.m. AEST. If you're someone who is already in Australia, has recently finished their studies, is about to finish their studies, or even a new international student, this webinar could be incredibly valuable for you. We'll cover everything you need to know about your next steps, your visa options, and strategic pathways to permanent residency. It's free to attend, and we'll drop the registration link below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things migration. We'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.